Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have something special for you guys. If you have an astrophotography rig, then you know you have multiple components that run through USB ports, like your camera, your guiding camera and everything that all connects to your PC. If you have a shortage of the port on your PC or it is very difficult for you to manage the wiring, this USB hub will resolve all your problems. So today what we are going to do is unboxing of this USB 3.0 hub and see what's inside. Before we get started, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So this is the box in which you get this USB 3.0 hub. With me today is a hub made by Entola. This is the manufacturer of this USB 3.0 hub. Let's see what is there on the box. This is Entola 207 USB 3.0 hub. So this hub is a latest version USB 3 hub, so it is going to be very fast. At the back of the box you can see the model, manufacturer, address and some contact information. And this is a 10-point USB hub which with switch on each USB port, so you can individually control turning on and off each USB port that is there on this USB hub. All of the USB port on this hub is USB 3.0. On the sides you have nothing. So let's open this box and see what's inside. When you open the box, you see inside there are a few components inside. Let's take them out. So this is the power adapter. This is the main USB hub. And there are some quick start guide and documentation along with it. So if you want, you can go through it. I'll keep them aside for now. So let's open the power adapter first. This is a power adapter. The rating for this power adapter is 5 volt and 4 ampere. So this is going to power your USB hub. So this is not just your passive USB 3.0 hub. This also has a inbuilt power feature which can deliver enough power to all the components which are attached to this hub. So this is first thing. So let's open this USB hub. As you can see, this is the USB hub. This has USB A port, which is, as you can see by color, is blue color, which indicates this is USB 3.0. As you can see, there are 7 ports on this USB hub, and there is a power button on the side of each USB port, so you can individually control the power for each USB port. As you can see, all of these USB ports are also blue color, so this indicates this is USB 3.0, which is also mentioned on the top. This is the place on the top that you see, which is marked as 5 volt DC. This is where your power adapter gets connected. At the bottom you see you have a charging port as well. As you can see, this is an orange port. This is a quick charging port. With the help of this power adapter, this is powered up as well, so you can connect any device which requires charging or quick charging. This port can also be used for charging your mobile at the same time. So guys, let's power it up and see how does it look like. So first thing you have to do is connect this power adapter to this USB hub on the top. Here, as I mentioned before, there is a 5 volt DC supply which is required. So I am plugging in it and connecting this power adapter to this power hub. As you can see, it is powered up. It is all turned into blue color. So using this one of the buttons, you can turn it off and turn it on. As you can see, there is no change in the LED indicator, but whenever you connect something, it will be detected or not detected by the computer on which you connect this USB A hub will be controlled. At the bottom you can see there is also a charging port, so you can connect and charge your mobile along with it. Now I have with me my mobile and I will try and charge using this USB-C to USB-A cable using this power hub. So this is the charging port at the bottom, so I will put the USB-A hub inside, and this is the USB-C port which goes into my mobile. So as you can see, my mobile has started to charge, so it is working perfectly. So I think that is it for this unboxing of USB hub. I think this USB hub will be very useful for connection of multiple devices, running your astrophotography rig, and also it will help you manage the cable on your rig altogether. So I think this is a nice addition to your collection, and I highly recommend using this USB 3.0 hub. Since it is USB 3.0, the data transfer speed will be higher as well. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon to get the notifications for all my new videos. As always, thanks everyone for watching this video, and clear skies.